Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that QuantixAI token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, QuantixAI is an AI-powered algorithmic trading platform designed to automate and optimize cryptocurrency trading strategies. It is fueled by its native QAI token, which provides utility within its ecosystem. AI trading engine, the platform analyzes real-time market data, news, and sentiment to execute automated trades. Sophisticated technology. It employs advanced machine learning models and quantitative strategies for market prediction and execution. Utility token. The QAI token unlocks platform features, driven ecosystem liquidity, and facilitates user rewards and governance. QuantixAI token total supplies 10 million and circulating supplies around 803,000 QAI token. QAI token is listed on MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.